right, let's go get our table. Oh, no. It's the Koreans.
Should we just sit somewhere else?
But we need the outlets, and that's the only one. Let's go talk to them. Oh, excuse me. Hello. My friends and I are sitting over there, but unfortunately, there's no outlet. Only this one. Would it be okay if we shared yours?
Oh, I'm sorry. I was just about to plug in my iPad.
Well, what percentage are you at?
89. I don't like to be under 100. Well, we will let you know when you can come back.
Okay. How about we check back in 15 minutes?
I said we will let you know.
Oh, no.
这个电视剧啊，接下来啊越来越好看了。
That's it. Grandma mad. I'm gonna K-pop her face. Look, our iPad is dead. Just let us use the outlet.
Maybe you all should just read a book. Then you won't need an outlet.
Don't talk to us Chinese about books, bitch. We invented paper.
Don't talk to Koreans about charging, bitch. We invented Samsung.
Then where are all the galaxies? All I see are iPhones.
남이사.
That's what I thought.
어머 여자 뭐 하는 거야? 어머 여자 뭐 하는 거야? 어머 여자. What do you think you're doing?
What I should have done this morning.
Don't you have a floor to spit on somewhere?
Ow! Don't mess with me. I will cut you and I will bite you. Chinese teeth are harder than Korean teeth.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.